What's up guys, in this video we will be talking about 4 networks that are pioneering innovations in the blockchain technology. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so we will be checking out 4 different websites for each of the blockchain, and we will be linking that in the description of the video. So first things first guys, we have Optimism. So it provides developers with a seamless migration path for dApps, Ethereum virtual machines, and facilitating an efficient user-friendly experience. Now, with the OP token governance, guys, Optimism empowers its community to influence the network development, setting it apart in the layer 2. All right, the layer 2 space as a leader in both scalability and decentralization. So this is their website, guys. Now you have a ton of information that you guys could go ahead and check out in this one. You have the vision, the build, you have overviews as well. All right, the apps that are available in this network, and you could go ahead and do your own research, of course, just like what I always tell you to do. So you could check out their website and their social media platform. So you have their X account or their Twitter account, you have their Discord, and you also have their GitHub. All right, so this is their Twitter, guys. There's a lot of tweets, and I would suggest that you follow all their social media platforms. That way you would be updated when they have announcements, giveaways, raffle, airdrops, and anything and everything that talks about this project. All right, so moving on to the next. So Arweave, on the other hand, guys, is dedicated to permanent data storage on the blockchain, and it employs a unique pay once, store forever model, which is particularly appealing for content creators and developers that are looking to archive digital content securely and sustainably. So Arweave's decentralized approach relies on a community of miners who contribute storage, and profit sharing model enables creators to monetize stored content. So known for its simplicity and commitment to digital preservation, Arweave appeals to developers and users alike for a long-term storage solution. So this is very, very good for content creators because they have like big files. Like when, say for example, I myself, when I create content, right? Like the raw video alone consumes right around like 3 gigabytes of 4 or 5 gigabytes depending on the length, right? So Arweave would be particularly helpful to me because again, I wouldn't be able to sustain all, like say for example, I have 1,000 videos that has 5 gigabytes each, right? So I would be able to utilize Arweave's permanent storage. That way I could put some of my contents there for archive. All right, so that is Arweave, guys. You could also follow all their social media platforms. So they have this X account here, and if you go to their website, guys, you would see that they are trusted by the best. They have Meta, you have Metaplex, you have Mirror, and Instagram. All right, so that is Arweave. The next one on our list is Mina Protocol. So Mina Protocol, guys, offers an innovative approach with its ultra lightweight blockchain, which is only, guys, this is only 22 kilobytes. Not even megabytes, all right? 22 kilobytes. So this enables users, even those with low power devices, to run a full node, ensuring the widespread accessibility and bolstering network decentralization. So Mina's use of zero knowledge proof enhances privacy, allowing secure transaction verifications without data exposure. So this approach has made Mina an attractive choice for developers that are interested in creating applications that prioritizes user privacy and accessibility. So you could also go ahead and check out more information about this Mina protocol in their website, guys. You could see there's a ton of information that talks about it. I wanted you to go ahead and do your own research, guys. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into and you would be able to make informed decisions. So these are actually really, really good blockchain networks to explore. And we still have one more, guys, but I wanted you guys to go ahead and check out all their social media platforms as well. You have Discord, you have X, you have Telegram, You even have WeChat and YouTube. All right, you can go ahead and check on that as well. So this is the X account, guys. So Mina is a zero knowledge blockchain for proving anything, building towards a secure, private, and verifiable internet. So go ahead and check them out, guys. There's a lot of information here in their Twitter account as well. They also make announcements here, raffles, giveaways, airdrops, anything and everything that talks about the project should be in Twitter as well. All right, so last but not the least on our list for the network, guys, Sui Network. It is a layer 1 blockchain that is designed for speed and scalability and optimized to support high demand decentralized application. All right, like games and whatever decentralized apps that you are going to be deploying in this network, they are going to be able to accommodate that. So with its flexible smart contract capabilities and cross-chain compatibility, Sui Network encourages interoperability while also empowering its token holders with the governance rights. All right, so together, these networks exemplify how specialized blockchains can enhance the broader ecosystem, addressing scalability, privacy, storage, and efficiency in new impactful ways. So you have more information about Sui Network here, guys. You would be able to click on learn, and you have a lot more information that you could explore that will help you out in getting more information and getting more learnings and ideas about this project. All right, so these are the top 4 blockchain networks that you guys could go ahead and check out. That way you could pick, is this good for me? But again, those 4 guys are actually making a huge leap into improving technology in layer 1 and layer 2 scaling blockchain technology. So you can go ahead and check them out, guys. Again, so just a quick summary, guys. We checked 4 different blockchains here in this video. You have Optimism, you have Arweave, you have Mina Protocol, and you have Sui Network. Go ahead and check them out, guys. Links to all their social media platforms, including their websites, will be in the description of the video. If you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when I upload new videos in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.